In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix ChatGPT not launching on your MacBook. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that it is not open in the background. So what you're going to do is go to your Apple logo in the top left corner, go to force quit, and make sure that ChatGPT is not here. Obviously, I've got it open here just for example. So if we click on it and then press force quit, and then again, it will disappear. So the next thing you need to do is clear your cache. To do this, hold Command, Shift, and G, and then type this in. I'll leave it in the top line of the description so you can copy it from there. Press enter. Now go back up to the top left corner and press edit, select all, file, and move to bin. So once you've done that, what you need to do is right click on your bin and empty it, and then you'll need to click on the Apple logo one more time and just restart your device. If it's still not working, then it's worth checking your internet connection. Make sure you've got a strong Wi-Fi connection or a wired Ethernet connection. But if it's still not working, what you need to do is go into your Finder, go to Applications, and then search for ChatGPT. Now right click on the app and press Move to Bin. Once you've done that, you'll need to right click on your bin and empty it, and then go up to your Apple logo once more and restart your device. Now you'll need to go onto the internet and re-download ChatGPT. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if this helped.